Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Before we get started, I gotta get this out the way. I let one of my brothers from childhood, known him forever, I let him cut my hair. This side, it's okay, it's alright. This side, it looks like a rat chewed the side of my head. So, let me get a hat. Whew. Much better. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, we have a banger here today. $3,000 mystery box. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so I'm super excited to bring them back. Now, real quick, I will be selling some of these shoes on my Whatnot stream, which is going to be on July 1st. Whatnot is a selling platform that allows sellers and buyers to connect via live stream, so I will be streaming all of these, plus more, and I also will be giving away a pretty crazy shoe. I just haven't decided which one it is yet for my first stream, so make sure you guys sign up. The link will be down below in the description, and you will get $15 credit for whatever you buy on Whatnot. It doesn't even have to be on my stream. They're just giving you $15 for signing up. So make sure y'all take advantage of that. Anyways, we have two boxes here, so let's go ahead and get right to it. We got our handy dandy scissors with us, and I will have this box chilling right here. It's pretty heavy, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of lazy, so I'm not gonna pull it over here. Let's do this quick unboxing. How I usually do my mystery boxes is I don't look inside the box yet. So you guys will find out whatever we have the same exact time that I take a look. And if you guys hear noises, my dog is playing right underneath me. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'm already gonna assume this is a Nike Dunk Low box. Nike Dunk High, oh my God. All right, let's go ahead and check these things out. Okay. Not a bad colorway. I started off with Nike Dunk Highs. This is a pretty clean colorway. It's just that it's a little bit harder to move these days. Dunk Lows are still pretty popular, but they're sitting in a lot of stores, so the price isn't that great in terms of resale. So when I see something like this, I can't expect it being anything too crazy. This is a size 10, so it's my size. Everything in this box should be brand new. First shoe is the Game Royal Dunk Highs. By the way, the counter at the top is going to be showing the estimated market value for each shoe, just to see if we're gonna profit or lose money on these boxes. Let's get into the next one right here. Boom. Jordan 3 box. This is a size 10.5, and these are the Cardinal 3s. A few years ago these came out. It seems like it was just yesterday. Hopefully the prices went up a little bit on this pair, but I don't remember these selling out or anybody really talking too much about them. Probably, if I was to estimate it, maybe like 200 bucks on the resale market. So this is a decent one. Jordan 3s, can't go wrong with it. Right now I'm praying that we get at least one or two, at least something a little bit heavier, cause I don't know, man. I'm starting to get weird vibes with this box, and that's why I stopped doing mystery boxes. I ended up losing a decent amount of money on boxes, and I freaking already see another Dunk box. These are a Dunk Low, size 10. Please. Dunks are bricking right now. Dunks are not the best right now. Ooh, okay. Red, white, and black Dunk right here. 75th anniversary NBA. Man, I don't know if I'm gonna get my money back. I'm not gonna lie. All right, let's see here. Blue box, UNC 6s, 5s? 6. These are a size 10. UNC 6s, baby. These are pretty clean. I like these. I used to love the Carmine 6s, so seeing this UNC with the Carmine 6 color blocking, pretty nice. The sneaker market is just not looking good, but Jordan 13s. Which ones? If it was the Flints Cool Classic colorway, please. Ah, yeah, let's go, baby. This is a good one. Just cause I've been collecting sneakers for a long time, just seeing a pair of 13s in brand new condition like this, crazy. This one's solid, just cause I like the leather, I like the perforations, and I like 13s. I think they're comfortable. And these ones are a 9.5. Another dunk box. Why so many dunk boxes? Nike Dunk High. A freaking high. Hello, hi. Okay. Let's peep it. Please be a good colorway, even though they don't make that many good colorways. The panda, oh, they're not pandas, okay. Sorry, it looked a little black on the screen. Some navy Dunk Highs. Probably get a good $100 value on this one. Size 10. I hope the counters are looking good. Ooh, this box is a little bit heavy. What's this? What's this? Oh, Jordan 11 box. We got some gratitudes. Did the gratitudes come in this box? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, we got some Jordan 7s. Size 10. Wow, they cucked us. They freaking cucked us, guys. I thought we had some Jordan 11s in here. Probably another brick. All right, let's go. We got some Jordan 1s in the mix. I already know this pair is super clean. If you're looking for a personal pair, this is a really nice pair to rock. Especially if you don't have shattered backboard money, this is a good one. This is a good one right here. In terms of the market price, they're not going for too much, so that's why I say if you're looking to get into, so this one is a size 10. Quality's good, and the price isn't too bad. Okay. Ooh, we got a blue box. Yes, sir. Keeping it up with the Jordan 1 theme. I like the Jordan 1s more than the Dunks. Size 10. This one is a good one. I like this. Another decently priced Air Jordan 1 that's just a nice shoe. Can't complain about this one. I'm gonna take a peek now. We got 2 more boxes in this one. Freaking dunk box once again. Damage though. Big damage. Size 10.5. Oh, it's not even a dunk. Air Max 1s. Bricks. This is gonna be a tough sell unless it's super cheap. One more left. Jordan 5s. Got some Jordan 5s in the mix. Ooh. Ooh, okay. The Oreo 5s. I haven't seen these in a minute. Brand new and icy. Size 10, 2021. Oreo 5s. Hopefully the counter's looking good. We should have 9 more pairs left. At this point, I'm just hoping to break even. I'm hoping. Please. Please, man, please. I don't want to lose money. All right, let's go ahead and open the other box. This is the first time in a long time that this has happened. Basically, I was filming the second box and my memory card just did not feel it. It was like it was unable to read and I lost my clip. So what I gotta do now is kind of roll back. Luckily, it wasn't a lot of shoes. It was only 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll it back a little bit. My apologies for that, out of my control, but let's go ahead and get it. Size 10 Pine Green Air Jordan 3s. I was just saying that this shoe would have been cool if they used tumbled leather. I personally think that that would have looked so much better. And I've been in this green mood lately, but with the suede or nubuck upper, it's just, it doesn't hit the same. Tumbled leather though, that would have been nice. But yeah, Air Jordan 3 Pine Greens. Second, we have another dunk pair, Dunk Highs. This one accidentally manifested. Not the greatest. Size 10.5. The third one, boom, right here. I thought it was a Jordan 7, but it's actually a pair of Cherry 11s. Not a bad one on here. I know these fetch more than retail, so that's awesome, and it's not too much of a brick. So I was happy about that. And then I was just on the Fear 3s, and that is where the memory card cut out. So Fear 3s right here, solid shoe. Not a lot of people were feeling these when they released. They were just sitting for a long time, so I don't think they go for too much, but honestly, as a personal pair, I think these are cool. Very simple colors. You could wear it with something like this, a little bit of orange hits on it. I think it's a pretty cool looking shoe, and it's good for summer, so I like these. Fear 3s, size 10. Next up, Air Jordan 1 box. These are, I call these the Celtics. The Celtics, not bad. Not a bad looking shoe. Right now is the perfect time to buy Air Jordan 1s just because they're not going for too much. A lot of the Jordan 1s are going under retail, which is crazy because a few years back, everything would have been reselling. Jesus Christ. Another dunk box. Wait a second. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God. This is the... We got two? Oh, man. Cucked. This is cucking season. I'm just gonna look in the box now. There's only 3 shoes left. Cool gray 3s, size 10. Ooh. Ooh, these are nice. These are nice. That light gray though, light gray is very hard to keep clean, but if you're into 3s, cool grays, cool gray 3s. Another pair of 3s, size 10, white metallic copper. Oh, these are, damn, I forgot the name of this pair. Reminds me of the True Blues a lot, but they have the mustardy hits on them. A little bit of gold on the front, mustard hits on the bottom. Let's see, what's this one? This one's also a size 10. And for the last shoe, we have a white Jordan box. Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro, size 12, which would be a 10.5 men's. Let's check it out. Got this pair. It's okay, it's cool. Not for me, but somebody might like these. Air Jordan 4s are, personally, I think they're still hitting here and there for certain colorways. Is this one of them? Nah, definitely not. Let's go ahead and count this up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We do have 20 pairs here. Oh man, at this moment I don't know what the counter is looking like, but I just by eyeballing it, I already know that this is going to take some decent effort to move. There's nothing in here that was super stand out, nothing too crazy. So in terms of effort, yes, this box right here is gonna, it might take a while for me to sell all of these. And even then I think a lot of these pairs are probably gonna have to sell under market price because I just don't want to sit on inventory. So in terms of the rating of this box, not based on cash value, just based on difficulty level, this is a pretty difficult box to flip and profit on, which is why I stopped doing beater boxes, because a lot of it started to become not profitable. And sometimes that's the name of the game, and sometimes it's just like, man, these beater boxes are just not it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some calculations. Don't forget, I will be live streaming on July 1st for Whatnot. Make sure you guys tap in, sign up with a new account to get $15 in credit. If I post something that's 10 bucks, you're getting it for free. So make sure you guys use that link down below in the description. I'll see you guys on Whatnot July 1st. That's going to be my first stream. Be there or be square. I'm gonna have a bunch of deals on there. So I'll see you guys soon. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out. Peace.